Ever tried plugging your old phone charger into a brand new laptop? Spoiler, it doesn't work. Unless you have that one magical dongle. Today we are gonna talk about that dongle in code, the adapter design pattern. And by the end of this video, you'll know how exactly senior developers turn incompatible pieces of code into perfect teammates. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the episode 7 of Design Patterns, Code Like a Senior Dev. If you have missed any episodes, trust me, binge them like Netflix, but for your code. Here's what you're getting today. You'll finally understand what the adapter pattern actually is. You'll learn when to use it in real projects, and we'll code a clean before and after example that instantly upgrades your architecture skills. Stick with me until the end and you'll walk away with one of the easiest and most powerful senior level patterns under your belt. Okay, imagine this. You buy a fancy new monitor, but your laptop only supports USB-C. The monitor, HDMI. They can't talk, they're in two different worlds. The adapter pattern is the translator. It lets two incompatible interfaces work together without modifying existing code. In other words, the adapter is that one friend who speaks English and Punjabi at the party, helping everyone survive. But here's the twist. The adapter pattern isn't just about plugging one class into another. It's actually about protecting your system from changes. Let me show you how. So we typically use adapter pattern when you want to integrate with the third-party library. You're refactoring your old code but you can't break all the existing features. When two classes do the same thing but expose completely different method names. Basically, if your code is saying, bro, I don't speak that language, you need an adapter. Let's code it. I'll walk you through this step by step, word for word. Ready? Alright, in this demo, I'm going to show you super simple real world scenario. Your app needs to send notifications. You already have a system called iNotifier with a method send which takes in string message. But now you want to use a new fancy third-party service that uses push message method and takes in string constant instead. These two don't match, so we'll create an adapter. This is our original interface called iNotifier and a simple implementation, email notifier. Works fine. The problem starts when we want to add a new service. Let's pretend this is a library that we don't control. Notice something? No send method. Only push message. So this is where everybody panics. But those who know about adapter pattern, they smile. Because this is exactly what adapter pattern solves. We'll start creating the adapter now. So here's the magic. This adapter implements iNotifier that our system already understands. But inside, it uses a third-party library. So now the rest of our app can still call send as always. And the adapter quietly translates that into push message for the third-party library. Let's use it in our main class. I'll go to the main class. And then... And now, both email and push notifications follow the same interface. No breaking change, no rewriting half your system, just clean senior level code. That's it, that's the adapter pattern. It's simple, powerful, and shows up everywhere from payment gateways to notification systems to rendering engines. So let's recap everything. Today you learned what the adapter pattern is, when to use it, and how to implement it cleanly with practical real-world example. If you're following the design pattern code like a senior dev series, make sure to check out the previous episodes. Factory, singleton, strategy, prototype, they all build up your architecture muscles. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe and comment more patterns so that I know you want the next episode. Remember, senior developers aren't faster. They just know the right patterns at the right time. And now, so do you. Thanks for watching.